10 Amazon Home Finds. This phone holder that rotates to let you binge watch your favorite shows or movies while in the shower and pulls out to adjust the viewing angle. This 7-tier Lazy Susan lets you store up to 28 pairs of shoes or accessories and spins with a flick of a finger. It's modern, easy to put together, and keeps everything in order. Perfect for making your closet look chic and organized. This highly rated rotating stand swivels 720 degrees, supporting iPads or laptops up to 16 inches. It's fully adjustable to different angles, can be used while standing, and folds away easily for travel. This is my toothbrush holder of the future that has a built-in UV light to disinfectant, so you don't get bacteria growing on the bristles when you leave it on the counter. It easily mounts on the wall. You can store up to 6 brushes. It has 3 cups for mouthwash, and even has a built-in toothpaste dispenser. This is such a versatile kitchen gadget. Easily drain oil when frying foods by holding your meat in place or fastening it on top of the can. It even doubles as a colander for washing fruits and veggies. These magical sponges come in a pack of 10 and are perfect for removing dirt and rough marks from your sneakers. This bathroom accessory sticks to your shower wall and gives you a place to put loose hairs instead of on the wall. And when you're done showering, just swipe to remove the hair so no more clogged drains. My nifty stone bath mat is making waves again. It quickly soaks up water and dries in about a minute, making it so much better than a regular mat. My favorite sponge picks up dust from baseboards, nightstands, and even headboards. It's always ready to go again after a quick rinse underwater. This is an outlet extender with side access to easily plug in up to 6 things, so you don't have to struggle with bend cords.